In this video, we are simply going to talk about if affiliate marketing is still worth it in 2022. This is going to be more of a fireside chat where I just talk about the pros, the cons, the good and the bad. There isn't a script, there isn't a linear thing involved. I'm just going to share with you my experiences and things that I see and hear earning commissions on TikTok and YouTube and Facebook groups. Make sure you watch this video if you want to learn the truth if affiliate marketing is still worth it in 2022. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com, and as a successful affiliate marketer, I have earned commissions with everything from security cameras to sound bars, web hosting, microwaves, online courses, and more. If you want real affiliate marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already have. All right, so let's talk about, is affiliate marketing worth it in 2022? And I think by the end of this video, you'll have a pretty clear idea if I think and if you think it's still worth it. So first thing, let's talk about it. What is affiliate marketing? In its simplest form, affiliate marketing is simply linking solutions to problems. That's all affiliate marketing is. And the benefit of affiliate marketing is you don't have to have your own products. You don't have to deal with customer service usually. You just create content that helps someone solve a problem. And I talk about all the different ways to solve the problems on my channel, so I won't dive deep into that. But that's what affiliate marketing is at its core, at its foundation. Now, is affiliate marketing worth it in general? The answer is yes. There are millions, if not billions, of niches out there. And so it's still a good opportunity in 2022. However, one of the biggest problems with affiliate marketing is when you look at social media and you look at YouTube and you see that most people that are talking about affiliate marketing are trying to get you into a course that sells you affiliate marketing. And that's only a problem. Courses aren't bad. I have a course. Courses aren't bad. But there's much more to affiliate marketing than just a course. Affiliate marketing is a multi-billion-dollar industry, and people aren't making money off of courses. And as I said to you in the beginning, I've made money with security cameras, sound bars, stand mixers, microwaves, and much more. Canva, web hosting, all sorts of things that are different opportunities. One of the drawbacks to affiliate marketing is it is a little bit more difficult today than it was maybe 5 or 6 years ago, because more people are aware of it. And because the circumstances have changed over the last few years, where people that wouldn't normally seize the opportunity to attempt to make money online are now doing it. So the niches are more competitive from a fact that there are more competent people. 5, 6, 7 years ago, anybody could just create a simple blog or website and just throw up some links and make money. You have to factor into that the algorithms are getting smarter and getting better. Google's getting smarter and getting better. And so that can make it more of a challenge. You actually have to have some skills. And that's where a lot of people run into a challenge with affiliate marketing is they either don't have the skills to make money, or they're not willing to work to attain those skills to make money. And if you don't have those two things, you aren't going to be successful, not just in affiliate marketing, but any type of online business that you run into. Another thing that you often see with affiliate marketing is people are telling you that you have to work just 1 or 2 hours per day. And in my opinion, that is completely false. If you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, you should be dedicating 3, 4, 5 hours in the beginning if you want to see faster results. A lot of people over on TikTok, for example, and even YouTube Shorts now are saying that you work just 1 hour per day for the next 6 months, and you can see massive results. When in reality, if you're brand new, there is so much that you have to learn and understand and piece together and figure out, either by yourself or even with a course, that it can make things a challenge. And it's going to really handle or suppress your success, and it'll lead you to getting frustrated. For example, if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing, you do need to know email marketing. Some people are going to say you don't need email marketing. You need email marketing. You have to learn how to create a landing page and a bridge page. You have to find affiliate offers, and you have to understand how to solve a customer's problem. Sure, you know how to solve your own problems, but how do you go out and solve someone else's problem, or at least to do it in a marketing way? If you don't have a marketing background, that could be a challenge for you and something that you need to factor in. And so while as I'm going to keep saying, I think affiliate marketing is still worth it. It is more marketing. You have to understand your customer and your buyer and their wants, needs, and expectations. And if you can do that, you can make a lot of money. There's a lot of money to be had. Another challenge or drawback with affiliate marketing when you're thinking about is it worth it, is there's a ton of people on social media just copying other people. And that doesn't work anymore because the market is wise. It's catching up. If they see one video of someone, just pointing to different things, and then they see 20 other videos of the exact same thing, you aren't separating yourself from your competitors. And yes, even though you guys are in the same course, you guys are competitors. I know it's tough to think that way, but in reality, if you guys are going after the same leads, most likely you're the same. Most likely you guys are competitors. And what you should do instead, in order to make yourself grow and set yourself apart when it comes to making money, is you need to tell your stories. I oftentimes will talk about the Disney princess sequence or the Moana sequence, where you go through a series of trials and tribulations before you get to your end result. That's going to be the best way to find success with affiliate marketing. Just talk about how you got where you are. Talk about the problems that started you to look for a solution. Many people that want to start a YouTube channel, you can talk about, hey, I wanted to start a YouTube channel, but my audio was terrible. I often got comments about how bad my audio was, and that forced me to go out and do a little bit of research and figure out what type of microphone I should get. And then that way you tell your story. You can say the best microphone for a brand new YouTuber is this Blue Yeti X. It's only $129 or whatever it may be. But this is going to take your YouTube game to the next level. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, you need a microphone like that. So just like that, I just told a quick story, and that resonates with people that wanted to start a YouTube channel but might be afraid. And so just tell your story, and you're going to find a lot more success faster than just copying and pasting or stealing someone else's content. You make you unique, and people love you as your unique person. Another challenge that people are running into in 2022 to make you think that affiliate marketing might not be worth it is video marketing is incredibly important. You can see how important it is with the rise of TikTok and how Facebook has Reels and Instagram has Reels, YouTube has Shorts, Pinterest has video pins. You have to be willing to create video content in order to give yourself the best position to be successful. Oftentimes, you may not need to be on camera to do it. It's important that you create video content. Now, you can create written content like a blog to help supplement it, but you want to have a piece of video on that blog post as well. Again, 5, 6, 7 years ago, you could create a blog post and maybe slap a quick YouTube video on top of that blog post, and you could rank towards the top of Google. And now that's not the case, because I just saw somewhere that TikTok is actually doing SEO now. So you need to optimize your TikTok videos for search. Everything is all about optimization for search. But going back to it, is affiliate marketing worth it? In my opinion, yes, for the simple fact that you don't need to create your own product initially. Having your own product can help, but you don't need to create it initially. You don't need to worry about customer service. You can really learn about marketing. You can build relationships and make money online. You can get started for just like 3 or 4 hours per day. And then once you have your systems in place, you can pare that back down to 1 or 2 hours. I would recommend, quite honestly, to work as many hours as you can in the very beginning, because there's a direct correlation between the number of hours that you work in the beginning and the amount of success that you have. So if you can actually work on your business for 3 hours per day, 4 hours per day, do that so that you can get where you want to go. Sure, you could do 1 hour per day, but how much time of that 1 hour are you going to actually be working? Another thing that you should definitely be doing for affiliate marketing to make it worth it is email marketing. Now, again, and this is the ironic part here, there are going to be people out telling you that you don't need to do email marketing, but at the same token, they're collecting your emails for email marketing. And so everyone should be doing email marketing, collect emails, and then follow up with them. Now, I am not an expert when it comes to copywriting, but I recommend sending out emails every day. Copywriting is a learned skill. Do some research, figure out what works, and send out emails every single day. The more emails you send out, the better you're going to get at it, and the more money you'll make on the back end. So collect emails, Really, there's no excuse not to collect emails in 2022. You can do it for free with Aweber. Collect emails, send out emails, and make money. Another thing you should do as an affiliate is promote multiple products. Another mistake that I made early on was just trying to force one product down a customer's throat. When in reality, what you can do and what I recommend that you do is you promote a series of products that are congruent with what the customer's wants and needs are. For example, if a customer wants to start a website, you promote web hosting, of course, and then you can promote premium WordPress themes. You can promote, how to make money online, affiliate marketing course, something like that. You can also promote different plugins. You can even sell your own plugins, really. But if you can figure out multiple products to promote, you can sell them through your email list that you just created, and you can make even more money with the exact same customer. So I keep going back. I definitely think that affiliate marketing is worth it in 2022, but you have to take steps to do it the right way. Most people are going to lead you astray and tell you to do things wrong, and you're going to get frustrated and quit. But if you keep going, I think that you'll find success. Another tip when it comes to affiliate marketing, and this kind of turned into a tips video, is there's no shortcut for success. Okay, there are tons of products and services out there that are promising and guaranteeing you that you can shortcut your success. In my experience, I have purchased a lot of those shortcuts, and they wound up not being a shortcut. Either it took a long time to set up, or they just didn't work, or they were a violation of terms and services. So there is no shortcut to success. Go out there and do the work, or hire someone to do the work for you, and then you can go from there. So I'm not sure how long this video is, but in my opinion, I do think that affiliate marketing is worth it in 2022 and beyond if you do things the right way. Go out, do a little bit of research, figure out what your customer wants are. More importantly, figure out what their needs are and connect the solution to the problem. There are millions of problems out there. In fact, I'm just looking around my office here and I see like 20 different problems. Everything from YouTube lighting to this microphone to the camera that I'm using, the foam that you put on the wall to help with the echo and the bouncing. I even have makeshift whiteboards up here. There's just all sorts of problems that you can help someone solve, and it doesn't have to be in health, wealth, relationships, and technology. That's the other thing that people are assuming, that you can only make money in these niches. My first commission was in web hosting. My second commission was in security cameras. I've made commissions with all sorts of stuff. Yes, you can make commissions or earn commissions with Amazon. It will take more products and more consistency, but you can do that. So to summarize, finally, is affiliate marketing worth it? Yes, I believe affiliate marketing is worth it in 2022. It's going to grow. It's going to shift. It's going to look a little bit different, but you can still find the success that you're looking for if you are consistent and you put in the time, energy, and effort. Now that you know my answer to is affiliate marketing worth it, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.